Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. In this video, I'm going to pack a lot of information about hypothyroidism. What is it? What causes it? What can prevent it? And if you already have the condition, what can you do about it? So sort of give you a starter's pack on hypothyroidism and its natural treatment. Name indicates the condition. Hypo means below or under. Hypothyroidism is when the gland produces decreased thyroid hormone. Among all the hormonal problems, thyroid diseases are the most common ones. Thyroid is a butterfly-shaped organ that sits in front of the windpipe. If you take a sip of water and look in the mirror, you will see your thyroid gland move. So what do thyroid hormones do? They play a vital role in many bodily functions, including how fast you burn calories, stimulates your sympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for your reflexes, determines how fast the body digests the food, controls your heart rate, your blood pressure, and your temperature, and plays a role in growth and development. So if you have hyperthyroid, all of these bodily functions are going to be accelerated. And if you have hypothyroidism, everything slows down. So having a balanced thyroid is an important key to a balanced functioning of the body. It is a master gland. There are a few causes of hypothyroidism. First, there is not enough iodine in the body. Hashimoto's disease is another one. It is an autoimmune condition where the body starts to attack the thyroid gland and it doesn't work properly. Deficiency of protein, magnesium, and zinc, since these are all essential for the thyroid to function properly. Heavy metal poisoning or an overabundance of chemicals and pesticides in the body, and certain medications which can affect thyroid performance. Along with that, sometimes pituitary tumor. And believe it or not, stress. Stress is a major contributing factor when it comes to hypothyroidism. Women are more susceptible to developing hypothyroidism. It takes a while to detect thyroid problems because the onset is so gradual and slow. We have accepted it as a norm that we are tired. So for a very long time, we keep saying things like, oh, I'm so tired. Or in case of hyperthyroidism, I have anxiety because of this or that. So it is important to take yourself seriously. If you feel this way for no reason, get yourself tested. Hypothyroidism has a vast range of signs and symptoms. Weight gain is one of them because you're not burning calories fast enough. Feeling cold even when it is warm. Feeling extremely tired and fatigued. Have a slow heart rate, a hoarse and deeper voice. Bowel problems, mostly constipation. Depressed feelings, memory loss, dry skin, hair loss, and menstrual problems. And in extreme cases, like in Hashimoto's, people can develop goiter. By the way, I think it's important to mention here that people can develop hypothyroidism because of the treatment that they receive for hyperthyroidism in certain cases. If you suspect you have hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism, you should get tested. Thyroid problems can be diagnosed with blood test and sometimes a thyroid scan or puncture. Now, you can't simply take the medication and sit back and think everything will be all right. You have to do your part. Let's start with exercise. Active lifestyle, movement, proper blood flow, and lymphatic drainage are so important for your overall health. You have to move in order to keep your body healthy. If you sit for long periods of time, you're adding extra years to your age. I want to start by mentioning exercise because we have become lazy. We want to take a pill and feel better. But it is not a sustainable option. It doesn't work in the long run. You have to start by actively taking control of your body. I know it will not be easy when you have hypothyroidism and you're feeling tired anyway, but getting up and getting active is the first victory against it. You are taking charge of your health, and that is not a small feat. It's huge, and things will only become easier from that point on. Along with active lifestyle comes balanced diet. Glands need food. Food of the glands is micronutrients like vitamins and minerals. Now, if we honestly analyze our diet and lifestyle, we mostly eat cooked foods and calorie-rich foods. We eat bread, rice, oats, some vegetables, but mostly cooked, and maybe a serving or two of fruits a day. On top of that, we load the body with sugar and artificial drinks. Just think about what is happening to your glands. They're starving. There's barely any food for them. So a balanced diet with at least 2 bowls of salad a day is a must. You should have 3 to 4 servings of fruits, colorful fruits, not the same few fruits and vegetables daily. So have a variety in your diet. Now, in my opinion, the best way to ensure that it happens is through green juices. Incorporating fresh green juice at least once a day is great for your health. It energizes the body, alkalizes it, and really feeds your cells. I would recommend a good multivitamin and mineral supplement, ideally something that contains a superfood blend as well as an herbal blend. It really makes a difference. Next thing, and please don't underestimate it, water. Up to 60% of our body is water. If you are dehydrated, everything in your body will suffer, including your glands. Just drinking enough water will have remarkable effects on your health. Drink at least between 10 to 12 cups of water daily. You can also add 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt to a cup of water and drink that once a day. It is rich in trace minerals which your body needs. Remember, when I mentioned the reasons of hypothyroidism, one of the main big things is stress. If you do not lower your stress levels, your glands may not be able to perform optimally. So you have to figure out a way to lower those stress levels. Do what works for you, whether it is counseling, working out, cooking, taking a nap, whatever works. These are the most essential things you need to do. I'm going to share some other natural treatments, but they have to be done on top of this. If you don't control the stress levels, if you don't exercise, drink enough water and juices, or take a good supplement, anything else I suggest might not necessarily help. That being said, there are things you should try. Let's start with extra virgin coconut oil. Adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil to your diet daily can significantly help. Ideally, use it raw, but cooking with it will also help. The next thing is cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is rich in capsaicin. It helps eliminate symptoms of an underactive thyroid, strengthens the heartbeat, and improves blood circulation. So definitely incorporate cayenne into your diet. Parsley is another great herb to add to your diet for thyroid support. Ginger has amazing health benefits, including for your thyroid gland. You can drink 2 to 3 cups of ginger tea daily and add fresh ginger to your cooking. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are a good source of healthy fats. Flaxseed oil has shown benefit for regulating thyroid gland. You can easily incorporate it in your diet by taking a teaspoon daily or adding it to your salad as a dressing. Another thing that is really helpful with hypothyroidism is coriander seeds tea. Coriander is rich in folate, antioxidants, vitamin C, and beta-carotene that helps in hormone regulation. Coriander seeds can ease digestion and is therefore helpful in eliminating some of the symptoms of hypothyroidism. Making this tea is simple. You take 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and add them to a cup of boiling water. Boil until the water is reduced to half. Drink it in empty stomach in the morning and at night. You should see noticeable difference in 3 months' time. Ashwagandha is an effective herb for autoimmune thyroid issues. It also helps with immune system and stress management. You should take this herb with your doctor's consultation. Many people who have hypothyroidism were found to have selenium deficiency. Include selenium-rich foods in your diet. This includes seafood like cod, shrimp, tuna, halibut, and salmon. Chicken, beef, Brazilian nuts, and shiitake mushrooms are also good sources of selenium. Also include zinc and vitamin A-rich foods in your diet. Increasing the intake of vitamin D, iron, omega-3 fatty acids, selenium, zinc, copper, vitamin A, and B vitamins, and iodine can help in natural treatment of hypothyroidism. If you are eating the foods I have suggested and are taking a good supplement complex, there's a good chance you will get adequate amounts of these nutrients. If you live near a beach, take advantage of it. Walking just half an hour at the beach every few months can do wonders for your health, including your glands. You should also decrease certain foods from your diet. Foods like refined foods, saturated fats, sugar, white flour. Certain fruits and vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, peaches, and pears can interfere with the thyroid's production of thyroxine. Greatly reduce or eliminate caffeine and sugar, which people with low thyroid function naturally reach for in order to boost their dipping energy levels. I would also recommend cutting gluten from your diet. Gluten has an almost identical molecular composition to thyroid tissue, and consuming gluten can increase chances of an autoimmune attack on your thyroid. I want to remind you not to expect a miracle. You will need to do this as a package for at least 3 months before you begin to see noticeable changes. And please, once you feel better, do not stop. At least with the essential package I shared with you at the beginning of the video. If you stop, the symptoms will return. Please continue this as a habit because you don't want to undo the hard work you're going to put into regulating your gland. Make sure you get tested every few months to monitor the performance of your gland. This package has worked for so many people, and I'm confident it will work for you as well. Just don't expect quick results and don't give up. And once you feel better, please do not stop this combination. This has to be a lifelong practice. I'll see you shortly with another video. Please like the video and share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to the channel. Take care. Goodbye.